everybody, welcome to our channel, and I'm Mommy's assistant here.
Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here and don't know us, I am Nicole
and I'm Presley.
Yeah, and this is Presley. Today is going to be one of the most exciting videos we've ever done. Presley, are you excited?
Yeah, really.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Like how many excited?
Triple million
excited? I think I am too. Because this video, I am going to reveal to you the bead that I've been working on with Ohm. So it is my collaboration with Ohm, and it is also the May Ohmistry project of my bead called, what's the name of my bead, Press?
Kickin Peaches.
Kickin Peaches. Before we get into the bead reveal, a little background of exactly what this is. So Ohm Beads has been working with different people month after month to make a bead design come to life. So they work with artists, they work with sculptors, they work with bead collectors like myself, and I've been talking to them since, late summer about my dream bead. And I always wanted something that symbolized a strong female who's just out there doing the best she can, conquering challenges and kicking booty in everything. So that is how Kickin Peaches was born. Now, I'm not an artist, so a lot of this comes from the genius minds of Ohm Beads. What I did share with them is my tattoo. I have a kickin' booty ninja tattoo, and then I do a little sketch of kind of what I wanted her to have. It was important that she was a female, that she had eyelashes, and preferably curly hair, since my hair is pretty curly. And then the people of Ohm are so thoughtful, you guys. I just can't get over how awesome they are. And they know how important this little munchkin is to me. And they suggested, hey, so that way Presley could be a little bit included. Why not have her help you do the box art for this box? So I drew it, and Presley, do you want to talk about how you colored the box art?
Yes, I colored the outside nice and blue, like water, and yellow stars, and also pink too.
We like pink, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's my favorite color, and Mom's too. So, and we have a little ninja face on her hair here.
And she colored the peach too. So you guys might be wondering, Kickin Peaches, I don't really understand the name of this bead, but her name's not Peaches, she's Kickin Peaches. And I was inspired by the use of emojis. I like to talk in emojis. Emojis are the funnest. Anytime there's a new release of emojis, I like to go see what's new. That way I can use them. But it's inspired by, to make it an appropriate name, I thought Kickin Peaches would be cute because the peach emoji often represents a butt. Did you know that? Is that funny?
Yeah.
So this is Kickin Peaches, you guys, and here is the amazing box art, and I love that Presley colored in pretty much 90% of it. On the box, like all Ohmistry projects, you have my signature on there, and we'll go ahead and start opening and revealing this bead. Do you want to open it, babe?
Yeah. I am opening it.
Let's look at that first, okay?
Okay.
Put this aside.
So here is the little Kickin Peaches thing. So it shows you her right over there, and on the back is her on a bracelet. And if you didn't see her over here, I can show you guys again. So here it is.
Okay, so with all Ohmistry projects, you do get this little insert. It is a special limited edition by Ohm, and on the inside it does say that it is designed by Nichol. Oh my goodness. But again, mostly Ohm did all the work. I just gave them the concept of this. And then these are very limited. Very limited, you guys. They only make 111 of these beads. So I'm not sure how many of you will want to go out and get them. So I hope everybody gets one at 111, but it will be available on May 1st at 11 o'clock Mountain Time, which is 1 o'clock Eastern. So if you do want one, once they're gone, they're gone. Maybe I can convince Ohm to make more if you guys really want them. So comment below and let me know if you already want one before I've even shown you what it is. Okay, but I'm getting into the bead. Oh my goodness. Okay, we'll let Presley take it out.
Yeah. So I'm working on it. But here she is, and her little sword behind her, and here's the front, and her little toes sticking back, and the sword just went behind, and here's this one, and her little hand there, and a teeny tiny little ninja star.
You guys, I've had this for a while because I got to see like the final product and all that stuff, and Ohm did a really good job keeping me informed along the way. So I got to see this in like wax form, I got to see the casting, and then here she is, like the final piece of her. And like Presley said, she has the cutest little ninja star that she has, like she's ready to like throw it, and she's got her sword. So you do not want to mess with this chick. She is ready to conquer and slay anything that gets in her way. So really meaningful to me. You'll read in the description a little bit more of the backstory of this, but when the first time I was really around a lot of women who were like, it was like women empowerment. I was lucky enough to be part of this amazing team, and we called ourselves the Ninjas, South Region Ninjas specifically. But it was really about what like being a ninja meant to us, and about being the best that we could possibly be, being our very best, and not being afraid to take on any new challenges. And there's a lot of challenges that I've taken on that you had to be fearless, right? You couldn't be afraid, or else you weren't going to accomplish what you wanted to do. And that is exactly what Kickin Peaches is for me. I hope you guys love her as much as I love her. I am just like in awe at how amazing she is, and just really, really impressed with the fact that a company like OHM Beads would work with people like me just to who am I? I really get my dream bead come to life. Are you serious? Like, are you serious? Is this real life?
Yeah.
It is real life?
Yeah.
Are we not the luckiest ever?
We are the luckiest ever.
The luckiest ever. So thank you, Ohm. This bead means more to me than like anything. The fact that I have this, and she's part of my design and a collaboration with a company I love so much. I just feel so blessed, and I'm so thankful. So forever, I am grateful for OHM Beads bringing this to life. And leave me a comment below, you guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want her. You're gonna order her on release day. I hope you guys love her. I hope she sells out, but I also hope that everybody who wants one gets to get one. Presley, are you gonna want one of these?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yep.
Are you gonna order it on day one?
On day one?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You are, because I'm ordering it for us.
Here's the box with the little ninja girl and the ninja star in that peach, because she's already kicking peaches. There's her name on the back, and it says by Nichol O. And again, Presley did help color in this box art. These little inserts are so cool. And do you notice how they have a peach in back of her? It's so awesome. And then she's like in the spotlight. And again, only 111 made. And now for Kickin Peaches. So here's the side view. This might be one of my favorites because you could see the little tiny ninja star that she has in her hand. And then I just love the back view too. You have her hair and the sword, and that sword is what makes the hole for this charm. It's not like your custom like hole that you see in most beads. And then the other side of her, she's just in like full action mode. I just love her so much. Oh my goodness. And her little tootsies on the bottom. I couldn't be more happier with her.
All right, right, you guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you. Thank you all so much for watching. See you all next time.
Bye. Go out and get your Kickin Peaches.